Good morning, students. Last class I told problems on inverse function. When f is becomes both 1 and on 2, then only we are telling f is said to be invertible, and at the same time inverse of function also exists. Like that we are telling about inverse function. At the same time I told and I have finished one problem on inverse function also. And today also we will solve problems on inverse function. And when we are saying f is said to be invertible, at the time also I told if f is both 1 and on 2, then only f is said to be invertible. Like that today also we will solve problems on inverse function problems. Let f maps from R to close interval 4 to come infinity. Let f maps from R to close interval 4 and open interval infinity is given by f of x is equal to x square plus 4. X square plus 4. Then show that f is invertible. F is invertible and find inverse of the function and find inverse of the function. Inverse of the function here. Inverse of the function. Problem is f maps from close interval 4 comma infinity as given by f of x is equal to x square plus 4. Then show that f is invertible and find inverse of the function here. First one is a 1 function. Solution for this question is let the given function f of x is equal to x square plus 4. X square plus 4 is defined on f maps from capital R to close interval 4 comma infinity. Like this. First, how to prove about this function f of x is equal to x square plus 4, whether f is 1 or not, and f is whether onto or not. About these two now we have to check. First function is 1 function. 1 function. 1 function. 1 function formula is, let the function f of x1 is equal to f of x2. We considered like this first. We considered this equation f of x1 is equal to f of x2. On solving, finally we should get x1 is equal to x2. F of x1 is already they gave f of x is equal to x square plus 4. Then f of x1 becomes x1 square plus 4 here. X1 square plus 4 is equal to x2 square plus 4 here. 4 gets cancel. And x1 square is equal to x2 square. Equal symbol is there. They have same powers, that is 2 is there. Same powers means they have x1 power is 2 and x2 power is 2. Then directly we can write equality of their bases like this: x1 is equal to x2. Considered f of x1 is equal to f of x2. We consider this equation. On solving, we must and should get x1 is equal to x2. We got x1 is equal to x2 with help of the equation f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Therefore, we can say that f is a 1-1 function. Therefore, next onwards should write like this. Therefore, f is said to be 1-1 function. Said to be 1-1 function. Next, let us we are going to giving proof for onto function for the given function f of x is equal to x square plus 4 also. Generally, here you are going to getting x1 is equal to plus or minus x2, but we are going to neglecting negative numbers because that images starts from 4 up to from 4 onwards. From 4 onwards means we are going to getting with including 4 and afterwards numbers 5, 4 up to infinity. Like that you are going to getting only positive numbers. That's what here we are going to doing neglect the negative numbers. That's what x1 is equal to x2 we are writing here. Generally, actually we are getting here x1 is equal to plus or minus x2, but we are doing neglect for negative numbers, just we are including positive numbers. That's what finally we are writing here x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is said to be 1-1 function. You are getting like this means different elements of domain capital R, they have different images in the interval close interval 4 comma open interval infinity. Like that we are telling f is 1-1 function now. Let us now we are going to giving proof for onto function also. Onto function. Onto function formula is f of x is equal to y. Here the function is in the given question about the function f of x is equal to x square plus 4 is defined on f maps from R to close interval 4 comma open interval infinity, that is. F of x is equal to y means here we can write x square plus 4 is equal to y. X square is equal to we can write y minus 4. X is equal to square root of y minus 4 here. You represent this equation number 1 here. See here from 4 onwards means with including 4 afterwards 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that those numbers if we can put here and again you will get x is equal to one positive real. One real number. So you can take any real number this is. From 4 onwards. From 4 onwards, sorry, it's R plus. From R plus positive number to 4 onwards. From 4 onwards you can take any number 4, 5, 6 like that any real number from 4 onwards and again you will get one positive real number. Like that you are getting means f is said to be an onto function. For all y belongs to close interval 4 comma infinity, then x is equal to square root of 5 minus 4 is always a positive real, a positive real number, a positive real number. Therefore, f is an onto function, an onto function like this. Okay, take any a number from 4 onwards for y, if you can put here, and again you will get a positive real number. Already I told also, whenever f is an onto function, we have to give verification for this. Verification means like this. Consider f of x is equal to x square plus 4 here. In this case, put x is equal to square root of y minus 4 here in this case. That is, f of x is equal to square root of y minus 4 whole square plus 4 here. Square gets cancelled. Then f of x is equal to y minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled. Then you will get f of x is equal to y. It is the verification for onto function. We must and should get to proof for onto function, that is f of x is equal to y. Therefore, we can write, therefore, f is both 1 and onto functions. 1 and onto functions. Then inverse function is exists. Inverse function exists means we can write f is said to be invertible. See here. Right side of right take this because we need this. But want this. F is both 1 and onto function. Thus, therefore, f is said to be invertible. F is said to be invertible. Thus, inverse of function is exist. Inverse of the function is exists. Next, you should write inverse function also here. Inverse function. What is the inverse function formula? I told no, same formula. It is a common formula to both onto function and inverse function. In case of onto function, we have taken formula f of x is equal to y. Even for verification of onto function also, we have taken formula f of x is equal to y. Now, we are going to writing inverse function. For that also, we are going to taking formula f of x is equal to y here. F of x is equal to y. Send f that side, it becomes x is equal to f inverse of y. From equation 1, instead of x we got square root of y minus 4 is equal to f inverse of y. or it is also can be written as f inverse of y is equal to square root of y minus 4. Y is there, it is the y. In terms of y, we got the inverse function f inverse of y is equal to square root of y minus 4. But actually, they asked the problem in terms of x, and they gave the problem also in terms of x. That's what we need, inverse function in terms of x. Simply we can write in place of y as x like this. F inverse of x is equal to square root of x minus 4. That's why it is the inverse function for the given problem f of x is equal to x square plus 4. Like that, we gave solution for this question. First, have to give the proof for 1 function. Next, onto function. If it is an onto function, we have to give verification, that is f of x is equal to y. If it is not an onto function, up to that you can stop the solution of this question. F is not an onto, therefore inverse of function does not exist. F is not said to be invertible. Like that, we can write some words. If f is not an onto function. If f is an onto, then we have to give verification. And after verification, we have to write inverse function also. Like that, we have to give solution in 4 methods. 1, onto, verification and inverse. Though including all these 4 methods becomes a solution of this question. Like that, we'll solve one more question. Let f maps from consider f maps from r plus 2 positive real numbers to close interval minus 5 comma infinity open interval is given by f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Then show that f is invertible. And also find inverse of function. And also find inverse of function. They gave one function is there, f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. It is defined on the number system. F maps from r plus 2 close interval minus 5 comma open interval infinity. How to show f is invertible and also find the inverse of the function. Before this question, how we solved, similarly in the same way, we have to give solution for this question also. 1 function, and we have to give proof for 1 function. Next, second method, we have to give proof for onto function, and third is verification, and fourth one is the inverse function. Like that, in 4 methods, we have to give solution for this question now. Solution. Let the given function f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5 is defined on is defined on f maps from r plus 2 close interval minus 5 comma open interval infinity, like that. Solution here. First function is a 1 function. First one is a 1 function. First one is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. You consider like this. Already f of x, for f of x they gave f of x is equal to what they gave here, 9x square plus 6x minus 5. This function is there. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 is there. After consideration of the equation f of x1 is equal to f of x2, by solving finally you should get x1 is equal to x2 here. F of x is 9x square means plus 6x minus 5 means f of x1 becomes 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 5 is equal to 9x2 square plus 6x2 minus 5. Minus 5 gets cancel here. Send all this side. Send all this side here. These terms. 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 9x2 minus 9x2 square minus 6x2 is equal to 0. Write them 9 square terms one side and without square terms one side, like this. 9x1 square minus 9x2 square plus 6x1 minus 6x2 is equal to 0. From this take 9 common, then you will get x1 square minus x2 square. From these two take 6 common, then we will get x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. 9 into, here for first bracket parts we have x1 square minus x2 square is there. x1 square minus x2 square is in the form of a square minus b square formula, that is a minus b into a plus b. We have to apply that formula here. A minus b. For this, what is the a square minus b square formula here? A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b here. This formula here we have to apply. x1 square minus x2 square can be written as x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2 here. Next, plus 6 of x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. What is the common here? x1 minus x2 common. Take x1 minus x2 common here. x1 minus x2 common. Because the common for these two terms. If you can take common, then next bracket term will come 9 of x1 plus x2 plus 6 is equal to 0. This x1 minus x2 has a product with this term. This bracket part you consider some constant k. That k having product with x1 minus x2. If you can send k that side, it becomes 0 by some constant, some non-zero constants. 0 by some non-zero constant means here 0 by some finite value. 0 by finite value becomes whole term become 0. That's what directly we can write here x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. or send minus x to that side, it becomes x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, we can write f is 1 function. 1 function, or we can write injective function also. Therefore, f is a 1 function. Like that, we are giving a proof for 1 function. We considered f of x1 is equal to f of x2. In place of those f of x1 and f of x2, we defined given function also. On solving, finally we got x1 is equal to x2. If we can get x1 is equal to x2, easily we can tell that f is 1 function. If you are getting like this, different elements of domain capital R plus or associated with different elements of the codomain close interval minus phi comma open interval infinity. Next, we are going to giving a proof for onto function also. Onto function. Onto function. Onto function. For onto function also, we define the function f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5 is defined on f maps from R plus 2 close interval minus 5 comma open interval infinity. With help of this function, we are going to giving proof for onto function also here. Onto function formula is f of x is equal to y. What is f of x? The common formula. Onto function, inverse function, to find the range, images, all this to all these four, we are going to applying common formula f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y here. F of x is 9x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to y here. 9x square plus 6x is equal to, send minus 5 that side, it becomes plus 5. 9x square is there, it can be written as 3x whole square plus 6x is there, it can be written as 2 into 3x into 1, because left hand side is there, no, the left hand side part must be converted into in the form of a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula, we must convert this part into the form of a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We have to convert this into this formula. That is 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 1. 2ab, 2 is there, a is there, b is there, but there is no b square. To get in the form of a plus b whole square, adding a b square term on both sides, that is adding 1 square on both sides. 1 square on both sides, y plus 5 plus 1 square. Now this totally it in the form of a plus b whole square means 3x plus 1 whole square is equal to y plus 5 plus 1 here. That is 3x plus 1 whole square is equal to y plus 6. 3x plus 1 is equal to square root of y plus 6. Next onwards, 3x plus 1 is equal to 3x. So 3x is equal to, send 1 that side. 3x is equal to square root of y plus 6 minus 1. X is equal to square root of y plus 6 minus 1 whole dividing by 3. The equation number 1, this is. Number 1. From this onwards, how to check? For y, from minus 5 onwards, from minus 5, next will come minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to and so on. You can take any number and again you will get a positive real number. You can substitute also, you can check also. Minus 5, that is before minus 5, and not minus 5 onwards. Before minus 5, before minus 5 means minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to and so on. You can put any number like that, you will get a positive real number. That's what easily we can tell f is an onto function. See here. For all y belongs to close interval minus 5 comma open interval infinity, then x is equal to square root of y plus 6 minus 1 whole dividing by 3 is always a positive real number. Is always a positive real number. Real number. Therefore, f is an onto function. Afterwards, have to give verification for this also. Verification means you consider f of x is equal to this function. Instead of x, you put that x value, and finally you should get f of x equal to y here. Verification. Consider f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Put x is equal to square root of y plus 6 minus 1 whole dividing by 3 here. F of x is equal to 9 into square root of y plus 6 minus 1 whole dividing by 3 whole square plus 6 into square root of y plus 6 minus 1 whole dividing by 3 minus 5 here. F of x is equal to 9 into a minus b whole square. A square becomes y plus 6, b square becomes plus 1, minus 2ab means 2 into square root of y plus 6 here. Whole dividing by 3 square becomes 9. We distributed this power to both numerator and denominator. To numerator in the form of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Next denominator becomes 3 square becomes 9 here. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. Multiplication 2 into square root of y plus 6, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, and additional number is minus 5. 9 and gets cancelled here. F of x is equal to y plus 6 plus 7, 6 plus 1 7, minus 2 into square root of y plus 6 plus 2 into square root of y plus 6 minus 7. Plus 7 minus 1 gets cancelled. Minus plus gets cancelled. That's what finally we got f of x is equal to y. Therefore, f is said to be both 1 1 and onto. F is said to be both 1 1 and onto functions. One and onto functions. Thus, F is said to be invertible. Thus, F is said to be invertible. F is said to be invertible. Therefore, inverse of function is exist. Inverse of function is exists. Function is exists. Finally, last one is inverse function. Inverse function. F of x is equal to y. Then x is equal to send f that side, it becomes f inverse of y. From equation 1, x value we have this. What is x value? X is equal to square root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3 is equal to f inverse of y. Or we can write y is there. For that we got inverse function in terms of y, that is f inverse of y. Because they gave problem in terms of x. That's what we should get inverse function also in terms of x. For that we can write f inverse of x is equal to square root of x plus 6 minus 1 whole dividing by 3. This is the inverse of the function for the given function. Like that we gave a solution for this question in 4 methods. Including 4 methods, we are calling a solution of this question. 1 1 onto inverse and 1 1 onto verification of onto, last one is inverse function. Like that we solved today 2 questions, and they are very little bit big questions, and they are very important questions. Tomorrow also we will solve the problems on inverse function only. When inverse function, when the function forms inverse, means that given function f should be both 1 1 onto, then only f is said to be invertible. At the time only we can define and we can write inverse function for the given function. Tomorrow also we will solve same thing, same types of problems on inverse functions. Thank you very much.